Download Parivartan app and learn complete syllabus from standard 5th to 12th of Maharashtra State Board.
Okay guys, let's go on with lecture number 2, that is articles, and now we are going to study the exceptions of the articles a and the. You know, my name is Priyanka Shinde and I am teaching you the best of English. Let us begin. Okay, these words are one of the rarest words you will ever get to see in the articles. Union, one man show, honest, are, eucalyptus, which is a tree, Xmas card, this means Christmas card, and European. Okay, now even though this word is starting with U, it has the pronunciation of Y. So here you are not going to use an, even if it starts with U. You are going to use a, that is a union, a one man show. Here also the pronunciation is of W, a one man show. Then here, even though it's H and it's a consonant in the start, the pronunciation is starting with O, honest. So you are going to use an here. Here also R, again an. Eucalyptus, an interesting word. Eucalyptus has E in the beginning, but you are not going to use an. You are going to use a eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus, the first word is going. An Xmas tree, an Xmas card, an Xmas tree, anything. This is a special case. This you guys have to remember because it's a special case. European, a European. Now, I'll explain to you why it became a European. Generally, anything that is a country, okay? We say that it's an Indian, an American, an Australian, but here it becomes a European again because it's going to go. U is getting Y pronunciation, just like union. Okay? Okay, let's go ahead. Now I'm going to give you the speciality of the word the. Where do we use the? Where do we use the? I had told you that it's used in the most special cases when I want to say a particular kind of something. The apple I ate. I mean a particular apple. Okay? But there are some other reasons to use the. And let us see what they are. Okay? One is nationality. If I want to talk about a particular person, like the Indian national, one person who is an Indian, if I want to talk about him, I will call him the Indian, not an Indian. If I want to say an Indian, that an will mean any Indian person in this entire country, but the Indian will mean only one. So first is nationality. Second is anything that has to do with the stars, in the sense the star, the sky, that way. For example, you can take the Milky Way. Okay, the Milky Way is another name for galaxy. म्हणजे हे जे आपले ग्रह तारे असतात ते ज्या युनिवर्स मध्ये आहेत त्याला द मिल्की वे म्हणतात. ओके, देन मॉन्युमेंट्स. सपोज मला या जगामध्ये एव्हरीबडी नोज दॅट देर आर 7 वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सो if I want to talk about any 7 wonders of the world, any one of them, like I want to talk about the Taj Mahal, so I will say the Taj Mahal. I can never say a Taj Mahal because there is only one. Okay, then building. Suppose I want to talk about, say, a crime that has happened. So Shan Singh Rajput was killed in the building, so that the building is one particular building. Remember, the means particularity. So when I am talking about the building, it will always be the building, not a building. Otherwise, there are so many buildings out here. We don't know which one we are talking about. Okay? Then river. There is a specific name given to each river. The Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Kaveri, the Krishna. So the river. And geographical features. Now, what do the people mean by geographical features? Okay, there are types of how can I say this? Like mountains, plains, plateaus. So, the particular thing that I'm talking about, the plain of Maharashtra, the plateau of Maharashtra. When I'm talking about a particular thing, I will say it's the. Now, there are some areas where articles are not used at all. Okay, and we learn about that. Okay. Okay. So, let us call this no articles. Okay. So, where exactly is it possible that there is no need for articles? Okay. Or now, if you are asked to fill these kind of gaps, you don't need to. Children go to school is itself a complete sentence. It doesn't need the school, a school, nothing. Children go to school is complete in itself. Now, when the condition is like that, here you will not need to use any article. Then, Dan goes to schools. This is also a complete sentence. The schools, why do you need the? Why do you need a? It is in itself complete. So, if this kind of fill in the blanks are asked, okay, I am saying many of the things today in my lecture for 12th and 10th standard board students, and I will continue saying some special points, some special tips for the 10th and 12th board exams. So, you guys, if you are watching this, please do watch the lecture. Okay, so this is complete in itself. Dan goes to schools or children go to school. It doesn't need anything to support it. So when any word doesn't need a support, an article is not required. Okay? Now, what is the other condition? There are two types of words. One is called as singular word and one is called as plural word. So along with the articles, we are also learning singular word and plural words. So what is a singular word? When I mean hen. Okay? A hen. This is a singular word. And when I mean hens, means more than one number of the quantity. Or I mean watch. That is, suppose this wristwatch, okay? And I mean watches. We learn about this more in the next episodes, but right now I'm just giving you a hint. Singular means one thing. One hen, one apple, etc. Plural means multiple number of things. म्हणजे एकापेक्षा जास्त सेम तऱ्हाच्या गोष्टी. Hence, watches, etc. Okay? I will also teach you this separately as singular and plural. But right now we are just learning so that I can give you where no articles are given. So now this is plural. Hence is plural. Okay, eggs plural. When the words, the nouns, okay, I'll tell you what are nouns. Nouns are the primary objects around which the entire sentence revolves. For examples, if I say butterfly love to fly, so my entire sentence is revolving around butterfly. My sentence is revolving around it. म्हणजे मी जे काही बोलतीये त्या गोष्टीवर संबोधित करून बोलते. Butterfly. So this is a noun. This is a noun. So noun, that too in plural, Plural noun, that means hence. Plural noun never has articles. So hence give x, it's complete in itself. You don't need to say the x, which the x, no x. Okay, so hence gives x. Okay, hen gives x also is okay. Okay, but then when if you will remove the s, then the hen gives x will happen. Okay. Now we'll study the last part of where there are no articles. That is proper noun. Okay, proper noun. What is a proper noun? If I want to say a particular person's name, or that noun means a particular thing. For example, if I say Rabindranath Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore. Yeah. So Rabindranath Tagore was a great thinker. So here, by Rabindranath Tagore, I mean a person who is having a special significance. Here, article is not needed. When I am saying a great thinker, it can be a part of any group of great thinkers. That is, मोठ्या सभ्यताचा एक भाग असताना अ झाला. पण हा एकच माणूस आहे, ह्याला कशाचीही गरज नाही. इथे प्रॉपर नाउन असेल. आता अजून एक जागा, there is one more place where you don't use articles at all. And this is a primary function group. Okay. Children were sitting quietly in the class. Children were sitting quietly in the class. If I mean something like that, okay? Here the is not needed. You can also say in class, where it is not needed because this is a primary function. Now what do I mean by primary function? A place where the people are sitting. Okay? Here it is the function of that place. You don't need the. Remember, articles are only added when they are needed. So finally what I can say is that in the case of articles, what is absolutely true? Articles are only added when they are needed. That is the rules. Added when needed. You guys must remember this rule and you will totally never ever make a mistake in articles. Also, the proper nouns can include a degree. It can include a special thing like SOS message. Now even though this begins with S, okay, here it is a particular thing. So I can either say the SOS message or an SOS message depending on how the sentence is constructed. So SOS message is a special one. So we will write it as an SOS message if it is asked by itself. Now there are some other special ones and these are exceptions. So I will mention them. Any nationality you can write the, but if asked by itself, here an Irishman, I will write it as an because of the I along with no sentence. LCD TV, an object, an LCD TV, a special case again. This is a consonant but you are having an. Then MD and SSC certificate, both are degrees. In this case, you will have an MD and SSC certificate. Even though it starts with consonants, it will be like that because it is a special object. Okay? Then an NOC certificate. Again, this is a special object. In spite of being from consonant. An IRF officer. So, here also an IRF officer. Why? Because the word officer becomes more important. May it be IRF, BSF, it doesn't matter. So what we have learned, articles are added when needed. So guys, this was my second video. Enjoy learning English and please subscribe to the channel.
Download Parivartan app made by Super Excellence Academy to watch more curriculum videos.